Don't know how to put a cover for Sing It? Well, you came to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to put the cover for Roblox Sing It. If you don't know what a cover is, then there's a picture of it right beside me. So yeah, let's just get started. First of all, you would want to search up online voice recorder. And then once you search that up, you would want to click on it. And I already chose my song, Senorita. I checked on the game if it's there. It's not. So yeah, like I am going to record my singing now. If you want, you can skip it or to the end, or you can hear me sing. So now I'm gonna start. So you click this button here, and then you sing. I love it when you call me Senorita. I wish I could pretend I didn't need ya, but every touch is ooh la la la. It's true la la la. Oh, I should be running. Oh, you keep me coming for ya. Now we can listen back to see how it sounds. Wish I could pretend I didn't need ya, but every touch is ooh la la la. It's true la la la. Oh, I should be running. Oh, you keep me coming for ya. Now, if you like it, you can save it, or you can delete it, and you would want it as an MP3. So I didn't really like that, so I am going to finish editing and start over. I love it when you call me Senorita. I wish I could pretend I didn't need ya, but every touch is ooh la la la. It's true la la la. Oh, I should be running. Oh, you keep me coming for ya. Now I'm gonna listen back on how I sang and see if I like it. I love it when you call me Senorita. I wish I could pretend I didn't need ya, but every touch is ooh la la la. It's true la la la. Oh, I should be running. Oh, you keep me coming for ya. Now I am going to edit it, so I am going to cut that part off and this part off because we don't want a quiet part at the end. And yeah, you have to save it as an MP3. So we have to save it. And as you can see, it says MP3 here. So this one's pretty good. So now that we saved it, we can get out of the app. And then we have to go to Discord. Now that I'm in Discord, you would want to go to their Discord server, Stupid Simple Games, and then here will be a Google Forms sign-in sheet. So you just click on that. And then there'll be all kinds of questions they're going to ask you, like your Roblox profile ID, Discord username, song name, artist name, and then here you would add the file of your song. Okay guys, now that I got the file, this is the file here. I put it in, so you just have to upload it on there. And then there's so many more questions, but I recommend reading this. So yeah, that's all. And then, so I will, once I'm done filling this whole thing, I will check back in with you guys. Okay guys, here you can see it says, have you liked the game and joined the Roblox group Stupid Simple Games. So here's the website you can join. I joined it, and here if you can see, it says, have you joined the Stupid Simple Games Discord server? And yeah, this is how you will know if you're accepted. So go to their Discord server, like join their group, and like that's how they will notify you. And do you give us permission? And then this, just say yes. Because this is just like they're just telling like they will put your voice in the game and stuff. So now you would click submit, and there you go. You made your first cover, and it will take some time, so you have to like be kind of patient. So yeah, it will take some time, but you uploaded your first cover. Congratulations.